Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking posture and diaphragmatic breath so sound has support. This prevents strain. Once stable, do 5-10 minutes of gentle lip buzzes and sirens to lubricate folds. Now find a relaxed throat, hum and slide to the edge of rasp, keeping jaw loose. Begin with short, low-volume false chord phonation, a gravelly edge, not full scream. Make sure to stop if sharp pain appears. That's your body warning you to reduce intensity. Once you can produce a consistent false chord rasp quietly, extend duration gradually while keeping breath steady. You should feel vibration higher in the throat with chest resonance anchoring tone. If sound moves too high, lower pitch. Shape vowels to maintain clarity. Start with open ah and o, then slightly narrow to add grit without squeezing. Increase loudness in small increments, monitoring fatigue. Make sure to rest 30-60 seconds between runs and record to evaluate placement versus volume. To finish, cool down with gentle hums and light falsetto for 3-5 minutes to ease tissue tension. This helps recovery. Hydrate consistently, preferring room temperature water, and use minimal throat lozenges if sticky mucus appears. If you experience sharp or burning pain, stop immediately and rest 24 to 72 hours. Pain that persists or worsens needs professional evaluation from a vocal coach or ENT. One troubleshooting tip: if you lose control, reduce volume and return to breath-supported hums to rebuild placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.